Timing your trade, Part 2. When to wait. Here are 4 scenarios to consider when timing your trade. 1. If a juicy tip comes in and the price is close to the break level, it's best to wait until the body of a green candle closes above that break level before entering the trade. 2. If a green candle closes above the break level but the price is far above it, hold off. Wait for a pullback to the break level before entering the trade. 3. If the price declines and approaches the hold level while forming a higher low, consider entering the trade at this point. 4. Be watchful if the break level is touched multiple times and the chart continues making higher lows over time. This suggests a potential break above the current break level. The key takeaway is that these strategies help you enter at better points, reduce risk, and increase potential rewards. Be patient and wait for that pullback before jumping into the trade. Miss the trade? Don't worry, there's always another opportunity. These are the basic principles. Join us and expand your trading knowledge further with the support of our Zazuk community on Discord. Happy trading, everyone.